Hey guys, Rivers here with some cool tech, and I wanted to take a quick look at the Minix Neo M1 Air Mouse remote control. The remote has an awesome minimalist design plus a built-in lithium battery and excellent RF range. It's compatible with not only Android but Mac, Windows, and Linux. Inside the box you'll get the M1 remote, Wi-Fi dongle so you can use it on Minix and other devices, and your user manual. The remote has the perfect selection of buttons and I think they're laid out really well. This is my favorite style of remote, and I actually use the M1 as my home remote every day. Now let's take a look at the button layout. So first you've got your power and sleep button, short press for sleep, long press for the shutdown menu. Next you've got the menu button, short press for menu, long press for hide the status bar. Next we have the fly mode on-off button. This turns on and off your gyro air mouse. Here we have your multi-directional pad with the OK button being a left click in fly mode and enter in remote mode. Here we have the back and home button, so short press for back, long press for home. Next we have the play and pause button, and finally the volume up and volume down keys. On the bottom you've got a micro USB port for charging the built-in lithium battery, and you have a power switch. Be sure to check this switch when you first take it out of the box or you'll have no power. On the front you have an IR emitter that only works with the power button. I think this has something to do with the sleep mode. Now here's a tip that's really helpful with a lot of air remotes, but especially this one. Go into settings and choose language and inputs and scroll all the way down to pointer speed. Here you're going to want to scroll most of the way down. I like it right about here, but some people want it all the way to the minimum. If you go to the max, it's super sensitive and you can't even use the remote at all. So I like it somewhere right near the bottom, and it helps the pointer quite a bit on this remote. To use the remote, just tap the OK button to select something, or to drag something, just click and hold the button while you move the remote. It operates like using a touch screen on a tablet. Both the M1 and Minix's earlier remote, the A2, have excellent range. I've tested them to about 25 to 30 feet and they work great. The A2 actually has a full keyboard on the back and some other audio options, so it costs a little bit more than the M1. Here are a couple pointers in case you run into any problems on the M1. To recalibrate the gyro on the M1, press and hold the left and right keys on the directional pad at the same time until the LED glows. Lay the remote on a flat surface, the LED will flash and turn off when calibration is complete. To resync the remote and the USB dongle, hold the fly mouse and the volume up buttons until the LED glows. Place the remote on a flat surface and plug the USB receiver in. The LED will go off once the pairing is done. Alright guys, thanks for watching my walkthrough of the Minix M1 remote. Hopefully this will help you to get the most out of the remote. I'll add a link to the remote in the video description down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, aloha.